2995 Brett Drive in Grand Junction, Colorado. This is the quintessential 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home. It has a split floor plan, a little over 1,300 square feet, and some of the things I know you're going to love are a gas fireplace, a newer swamp cooler, and a covered patio in the backyard. I can't wait for you to see it. Hi, I'm Juli Jacobson with The Real Broker in Grand Junction, Colorado. Let's have a look inside. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm Juli Jacobson with The Real Broker in Grand Junction, Colorado. Thanks for watching.